Google Webmaster Tool. Google Webmaster Tool is a tool thanks to which you will accelerate your site's and entries indexation. Your content will be visible in Google faster and will be positioned faster. Go to Google and enter Google Webmaster Tool. Click on the first position which will be shown. To use this tool, you have to be signed into your Google account. To add your site, click Add a Site. Enter the address of your site. At first, enter the URL address without www. After entering the URL, click Continue. Now you have to undergo the verification process to confirm that the site is actually yours. It's not complicated. Download the verification file and place it in the main catalog of the FTP files of your site. When you are done, enter the given link to check if the file was properly added to the FTP. If there is no File Not Found announcement, this means that you have placed the file properly. Now it only takes to confirm the verification by clicking the Verify button. Congratulations! You have just verified your site. Click Continue. The Google Webmaster Tool showed. The first thing you have to do is to add sitemaps to it. Click Sitemaps and then Add/Test Sitemap. A link to your sitemaps is to be found thanks to already installed plugin SEO by Yoast on WordPress in the tab XML Sitemaps. When you enter the tab, click the XML Sitemap button. If it appeared that the XML sitemap file was not created, and the system said that there was no such file, you have to return the default settings of SEO by Yoast and adjust them once again. If everything is okay, and a site with the sitemap address has appeared, copy the link to Post Sitemap to Google Webmaster Tool and press Submit Sitemap and then refresh the page. Do the same with Page Sitemap and Post Page Sitemap. You don't have to add the link to the category because it's not necessary, but if you really want, do it. When you added the links to the sitemaps, then enter the main page of Google Webmaster Tool and do the same actions, but before your site address, enter www. Don't place the verification file to FTP. It's already there. Repeat all other actions. If you have done everything, it's great. Now the very important action after adding anything new to your site will be refreshing the sitemaps files in the Google Webmaster Tool for your site with the www and without the www. To do it, go to the main page of Google Webmaster Tool. Choose a site with the www, then without www. Go to the Sitemaps option. Choose all the sitemaps and press Resubmit. Thanks to all these actions, your entries will be faster indexed in Google.
Google Webmaster Tool is not the only tool which enables the fast indexation of the site in Google. A very useful function of this tool is also finding the mistakes of your internet site, which can have a negative effect on the position of your site in Google. This tool automatically scans the site and sends you the message if something is not right. To check if you got a message with the error report, go to the main page of the Google Webmaster Tool. Now you have two options of checking the email. The first one is checking on the list of added sites to under the name of the domain some error is visible. The second way of displaying the full messages sending by Google the Webmaster Tool is entering the main site of the tool and choosing from the left menu the option All Messages. Instant correcting of all the deleted mistakes helps to maintain the high position in Google, and during the positioning process it helps to achieve better and faster results. But these are not all the possibilities of the Google Webmaster Tool. If you choose the site previously chosen by you, such window will appear. Here you can check if everything is okay with your site, for example if you added the DNS servers well and if the robots.txt file works correctly. For more information about the robots.txt and what we can use it for, check the lesson dedicated to it. If you click the headline Crawl Errors, the report of errors will be displayed. Here we have the chart showing the amount of searches of your site. Click on the headline again and the whole report will be displayed. Unfortunately, the site which is used by me as an example does not have any traffic, but it is okay. If your site has some traffic, you can analyze it concerning the amount of clicks in the specific keyword, the amount of the impressions, the CTR indicator, click-through rate. It is the ratio between the amount of clicks and the amount of displays. You can also analyze the position in Google from which the user has entered your site. So if someone enters in Google, for example, earning money, and your site will be displayed for him on the 5th position, for example, if he enters your site, then in the Google Webmaster tool you will have the information that someone entered your site through the keyword earning money from the 5th position. Next, thanks to the Google Webmaster tool, you can check the number of backlinks. You just have to enter the Links to Your Site tab. Here you will have all of your backlinks. All, maybe it is too much, but most of these important, which of course are indexed. The next very important tab is the Google Index, thanks to which you can check how many of your tabs are already indexed. Google Webmaster tool poses a function which enables to delete the backlinks chosen by you. It may seem weird to you because we would like to have a lot of backlinks, but it is not like that. If you create a lot of backlinks but of a low quality, your position in Google can be lowered. In the worst case, if you exaggerate with the number of created backlinks, Google can put a filter on your site and your position will be lowered significantly. To say it straight, your site will disappear. Now thanks to the Remove URLs function, you are able to delete the backlinks because of which your position was lowered.